In this video, we're going to look at how to save PowerPoint slides as images. So there may be times when you want to insert a picture of a PowerPoint slide, let's say in a Word document. And an easy way to do that is to use the Save As Image command found in PowerPoint. So I have a sample slide presentation here with a number of slides, and they have a lot of graphics on them, so they'll make nice images to insert into a document, or let's say you want to make a poster from a PowerPoint presentation. So go to the File menu and choose Save As, and then navigate to wherever you want to put those. And I have my PowerPoint presentation here, but instead of choosing Save as PowerPoint presentation, I'll use this pull-down menu under the Save As type and come down to, I'm going to choose the PNG format for high-quality images. And I'm going to click Save. And it's going to ask me, do I want to save just the slide that I'm on, or do I want to save all of the slides? So I'm going to choose all slides, and then I can decide later on if I don't need them all, I'll at least have them. And it tells me after a few seconds that each slide in the presentation has been saved in a new folder. And so I'm going to go to that folder. So I'm going to double click on that folder, and you can see there's a new folder called DSPP, or Digital Storytelling PowerPoint. And I'm going to open that up, and you can see that all of the slides in my presentation have been saved. And if I double click on one, you'll see that there is the picture. And if I scroll through, I can see the rest of them. But one thing that you might notice is that when you click on any of these images, you'll see that the resolution is 960 by 720 pixels. And that's pretty good quality, but it's not super high resolution. So if you happen to need slides of a higher resolution, here's a trick that you can try, or a technique. It's not really a trick. What you would do is come over here. The easiest way in PowerPoint 2016 on Windows is to tell me what you want to do and type in slide size, and then click on that and come down to where it says custom slide size. And here, instead of having it be, it's measured in inches here, instead of 10 by 10 inches wide and 7.5 inches high, we're going to change that to, let's go to 22 inches and 11.5 inches high, and click OK. And it says that the maximum size will be done. So we're going to pick, we're going to choose maximize. And then it made this widescreen. If you don't like that, you could try the other one and try that one more time. And we'll go back to custom, and we'll say, I'll just make this 11.49 just to, so it'll allow me to make changes. And this time we'll say ensure fit, and it didn't really make any difference. So either one of those is fine. Then what you do is you go to Save As, and we're going to create a new folder in here, and I'm just going to call this high res, and this way it won't overwrite the earlier slides. And we'll say OK, but remember you need to come down to the file type, and that's PNG, and we'll save those, and I'll do all slides again. And after a few seconds, that conversion will take place. It takes a little longer because these are higher resolution slides, which means they have a larger file size. And this time, if we go into the folders that have been created and we scroll over one, you'll see that now there are 21 12 by 1103, larger full screen versions of these slides. So now the quality is higher, and that might work better for you, especially if you're saving PowerPoint slides for perhaps a publication or another reason for needing high quality slides. So that is a cool technique for being able to save PowerPoint slides as images, and give this a try and see how it works for you.